welcome to the stage our first act of the evening, Anastasia.
Hi, I'm Anastasia. I originally come from Greece. I care deeply about the environment, especially about organic waste management. Yes, poo, banana peels, half-eaten sandwiches. I write my PhD on them, but not plastic. Plastic upsets me so much. It was so much plastic upsets me. And I wrote a children's story where the villains is the gang of the plastic bottles, because I want children to hate plastic too. And I'm a feminist. Now, this is not okay back in the village where I grew up in. My dad thinks it's the reason I'm not married yet. My mom prays for me every day. Ach, Παναγίτσα μου, ένα σύντροφο να βρει για αυτής της ζωής της. Which means, dear God, please send her a husband, and until then, keep her a virgin. Honestly, countryside Greece is not a place for feminists, or women in general. Women do all the housework, and emotional work, and usually have paid work too. Now, since we do everything anyway, anything that goes wrong is naturally our fault. Like, for example, if my brother is not as good in math as I am, it's because I tried too hard. You know, I wonder how you guys get away with it. I want it for myself as well. It's like there is this general agreement that men's brain can, or parts of it, can be on holidays forever. Like, take for example my friend, let's call him Steve. So Steve forgot to do laundry shortly after he moved in with his now wife. So I was visiting their place, and I'm like, Steve, can I wash some clothes? How? You know how the washing machine works? I mean, honestly, it was not even a very difficult machine, just a round button with little icons around, not even words or numbers. Since then, I decided that this is how I want to live my life too. Imagine me and my boyfriend, 7 p.m. I got home from work. Honey, I'm home. Hey honey, I made dinner, do you want some? How? You know how the stove works? The man that takes that as the average Wednesday evening, that's the husband I'm interested in. Maybe that's why I'm not married yet. But it's okay. I'm not losing hope. If I learned anything from my upbringing as a girl in rural Greece, is that I can do everything at the same time. Now let me go get back to waste. I love talking about waste. Still, you know what it would be cool? A world without waste at all. We'd still get to poo, and we'd still eat to get sandwiches, and no one would make us swallow our banana peels. But what if we didn't treat these things as dirty or disgusting, but instead as valuable? Now, we poo in the toilet, right? And the poo-poo is flushed away directly after it's produced. But what if we put in a golden box instead? Or if we would place our banana peel on a red velvet pillow and then carefully take it to the compost and place it on the top of the heap with birds chirping around and butterflies flying around my head. Another good thing, if we wouldn't have trash, is that I wouldn't need to have a trash can in my kitchen, and that means I wouldn't have to deal with fruit flies anymore. They would all be in fruit flies paradise. They would lie under the sun the whole day, do face masks, drink detox fruit juice. And let's not forget about the plastic. Imagine all the agony and the guilt we would save every time we want to throw away a yogurt cup. But Brussels doesn't have a bag for soft plastic. You know what else is scary about trash cans? They are very private and sometimes very personal. Think of all the times you had to find an alternative to the trash can. A condom in your parents' place. A pregnancy test in your shared flat. The cigarette butts from where your kids cannot find them. I think that's a sign of reaching maturity, when we don't need to hide our trash anymore. When I can just leave the condoms lying on the floor, and have a pregnancy test in the bathroom with the door open, while smoking. That's maturity. I know, of course, this is just a utopia. I will never reach full maturity. Composting won't save all of our world's problems. I guess what I'm trying to say is that I wish we'd value things around us more. The poo, the food, the women. All the energy and effort and resources that go into the stuff we leave uneaten or just toss away. All the energy and effort and resourcefulness that goes into the housework and the emotional work and paid work too, while trying to stay thin. Thank you and good night.